Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Spark program. Now this is a program to fix roads across Jamaica. So the program is 40 billion, but the government has announced that they will be spending 20 billion out of the 40 billion this year to fix roads. So we're going to go through an article that gives you more information on the fixing of the roads or the allocation of the 20 billion. So remember in Jamaica now, you have the highways, which are a completely different system in terms of fixing those roads. Then you have the NAA, which is a national works agency that is in charge of fixing the main roads in Jamaica. And then when it comes on to the community or the parochial roads, it's the parish council. And the parish council has to do with each parish has its own parish council. Like in Kingston, it's the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation. In Spanish Town, you have the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. And then the farm roads is RADA. They're in charge of those roads. So today we're going to be, the Spark program basically, it's to fix the roads that they focus on. The 40 billion Spark program is designed to revitalize secondary, parochial and community roads across the island within the next 3 years. So this money is not to build highways. It's not for the farm program. For the farm roads, it's for the parochial roads, the community roads. All right, so we're going to go through the article to give you more information on how the 20 billion is going to be spent. Remember, the entire program is 40 billion, but they're releasing 20 billion now. So we're going to look at the breakdown of that 20 billion. A sum of 20 billion has been allocated to constituencies to rehabilitate community roads under the Shared Prosperity through Accelerated Improvement to Our Road Network Spark program. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, in making the disclosure in Gordon House, said 10 billion of the total will be divided equally among the 63 constituencies, which will see each constituency receiving approximately 150 million. He explained that the remaining 10 billion will be allocated to constituencies based on the mileage of roads in each constituency relative to the total number of roads or total mileage of roads we are repairing. So now that addresses the equity issue because some constituencies have more mileage than others. The 40 billion Spark program is designed to revitalize secondary, parochial and community roads across the island within the next 3 years. The primary goal of the program is to address the persistent deterioration of the country's road network, enhancing mobility, safety and accessibility while promoting economic development and improving the overall well-being and road experience for local communities and businesses. Mr. Holness said the Spark program involves a fair, transparent, and accountability process for identifying and selecting the road projects to be implemented, with citizens playing a significant role. As such, he said that the Constituency Development Fund will be initiating the formal consultative process for the program. Members of Parliament through the CDF will be organizing community consultations by Parish Council Division with the active involvement of the relevant government agencies to include Social Development Commission, Municipal Corporations, National Works Agency, National Water Commission, Jamaica Constabulary Force, as well as churches, schools, and businesses, Mr. Holness told the House. These consultations aim to collect recommendations on the roads to be repaired and their priority order, I anticipate that this consultative process will conclude by the end of March 2024, presenting a prioritized listing of potential road projects organized by constituency, he added. Mr. Holness said that this will facilitate the streamlining of the project implementation process from project conception to execution. It is important that this be done because when MPs delay in responding and sending in their projects, it creates ripple delays throughout the process. So by the end of March, all recommendations which would have gone through a process of consultation should be in to the agency tasked with the execution, that agency being the NWA, he said. He noted further that this will ensure that the other elements of the execution and management of the program can be done in a timely manner. Mr. Holness said directives have been given to the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development and the NWA to update their register of roads so that we can get an accurate total of the mileage of roads that we have. All right, so that is the latest update on the Spark program. So a lot of road work is going to be done this year in Jamaica. So we'll keep you guys updated on this project and all the projects that are happening in Jamaica. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Also, you notice they're going through the constituency development funds, which means the members of parliament are going to be receiving 150 million each to fix roads in their constituency. So we will keep you guys updated. When the list comes out, we will definitely present it to you and keep you updated on all the projects. All right, guys, thanks for taking the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.